In today's guide on resolving Cash App card issues, let's walk through the steps to bring your card back to life. Okay, so first off, check your card balance. This is like the foundation of successful transactions, so you need to ensure that you've got the funds you need. Also, take a moment to verify your card information because a small typo might be causing the unexpected hiccup. Now, if you recently received a new Cash App card, confirm that it's activated. Your shiny new card won't work its magic until it's officially activated. So head into your Cash App and make sure your Cash card is enabled. This is like giving the green light to join the payment party. Also, don't forget about security features. If your Cash App card uses biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition, then you need to ensure that it's set up and working seamlessly on your device. Next is you need to be aware of your transaction limits. Exceeding this could lead to payment hiccups. And if ever despite your efforts the issue persists, then don't hesitate to contact Cash App customer support. And that's it. Follow this simple step and your Cash App card should be back in game in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.